Brivis heater, not turning on. Complete troubleshooting guide for ducted heating. Fix 1. Power and gas supply. Step 1. Check your home's circuit breaker or fuse box. If the breaker has tripped, reset it. Step 2. Ensure the 240-volt power point near the heater is switched on and plugged in securely. Step 3. Confirm the gas supply is open. Check both the gas meter valve and the appliance isolation tap. Fix 2. Wall controller settings. Step 1. Ensure the controller is set to heat mode, not off, fan only, or off. Fan only if you want manual heating. Step 2. Raise the set temperature above the current room temperature. Step 3. If the display is blank or unresponsive, replace the batteries for battery-powered models or power cycle at the fuse box. Fix 3. Filters and airflow. Step 1. Locate and remove the return air filter. Clean it with vacuum or warm soapy water, then let it fully dry. Step 2. Reinstall the filter correctly. Step 3. Open at least the minimum required. Number of vents, closed or blocked ducts can trigger lockouts. Fix 4. Reset the system for NG2 N state vet VN 1 to display the error or reset prompt. Step 2. Press 4. Reset. Step 3. Wait for system off to display, then press on and select your heat settings for manual programmable controllers. Step 1. Turn off power at the isolation switch for 2 minutes. Step 2. Alternate cycle power on 3S, off 3S. Repeat 3 times.